What if I told you that you can create professional UGC videos for just $1? No expensive editors, no long learning curve, and no big budget needed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Vmake lets you create high-quality UGC videos.
I used to wake up with dull skin and random breakouts. Nothing seemed to help, and I was honestly over it. Then I tried this cream, and within 7 days, my skin looked brighter, smoother, and way clearer. I honestly didn't expect this to work, but I'm obsessed.
No expensive editors, no long learning curve, and no big budget needed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Vmake lets you create high-quality UGC videos. Once you click on the link and create your account, you will see the dashboard like this. This is the main screen. Vmake has a very powerful feature called Recreate Thumbnail. With this feature, you can recreate any thumbnail very easily. To try it, first upload your own image. After that, enter a text prompt, select the model like Nano Banana, and click the Create button. Next, it will ask you to upload the sample thumbnail you want to change. Here, I upload a MrBeast video thumbnail. I want to replace MrBeast's face with my own image. Now, the tool starts thinking. It takes a little time. Once it's done, you can preview the result. The result is amazing. It creates a brand new thumbnail with my face instead of MrBeast's. Let me try another example. I upload another thumbnail and this time upload a Spider-Man image. I click Create and it starts processing again. As you can see, it changes the thumbnail, but it converts it into TikTok size. If you want a YouTube thumbnail, just type the command to change the size. This is a very powerful feature you should definitely try on vmake.ai. You can also create the UGC video you want, such as a female avatar, male avatar, Western look, and many more options. If you want, you can also upload a sample video or image. For now, I will create a video using text to video, so I will not upload any image or video. First, it will ask which language you want for the voiceover, like English, Chinese, Japanese, and more. Next, it will ask about the visual style, such as natural or realistic. Then, it will ask if you have any specific preferences for the model's look, like hairstyle, clothing, or facial features. You can also upload reference images if you want. After filling in all the details, I will click on Generate. Now, the system starts working step by step. First, it generates an image. Once the image is ready, you can see the preview on the right side of the workspace. Then, it analyzes the image and starts creating the voiceover. After that, it processes the final video. Once the processing is complete, you will see that your video is ready. Here, you can check all the processing details. Now, let's look at the final video result.
I used to wake up with dull skin and random breakouts. Nothing seemed to help, and I was honestly over it. Then I tried this cream, and within 7 days, my skin looked brighter, smoother, and way clearer. I honestly didn't expect this to work, but I'm obsessed.
As you can see, the UGC style ad looks very natural and realistic. You can also preview the voice sample, image, and video.
I used to wake up with dull skin and random breakouts. Nothing seemed to...
If you want, you can regenerate the image or video or remove anything you don't like. When you are fully satisfied, simply click on the export button and download the video in full HD quality. There is also an Explore tab where you can easily access the thumbnail, script, and audio. You can edit everything if needed. So, this is how you can easily create UGC ads using text to video with Vmake.ai. Next, we have a very interesting feature called Storefront Promo Video. With this feature, you can create a promo video for your store very easily. You just need to upload your store image, and the AI will automatically turn it into a promo video. The process is very simple. First, click on the Try Now button. Then, upload your image, enter your prompt, choose the image model and video model, and click on Generate. The video will start processing. It may take a little time, so please wait patiently. During the process, the AI may ask you a few questions. Just answer them and click Generate again. The processing will start one more time. After that, you can see the final result.
Step inside the loft for great coffee, fresh bites, and a warm, modern vibe. Perfect for a quick boost or a slow, relaxing afternoon.
Vmake has an excellent rating on Trustpilot with 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 696 user reviews. Most users are very happy with the platform and call it simple, fast, and easy to use. Many reviewers also praise the high-quality video results and overall smooth experience, making Vmake.ai a trusted choice. As you can see, the UGC video looks very natural and realistic. This clearly shows how easy it is to create high-quality UGC ads using the Vmake AI agent. The link to try this tool is available in the video description, and its app version is also available. You can download it and start creating right away. So, that's how you can create scroll-stopping UGC videos with Vmake for just $1. With AI hooks, trending styles, auto captions, and high-quality exports, you save both time and money. If you don't want to spend hundreds on UGC, $1 UGC with Vmake is the smart choice. Check the link in the description and start creating professional UGC videos today for just $1. Thanks for watching.